whenever you're doing conversions within the metric system, I think it helps if you can just list out all of the prefixes in the metric system. So some students, what they'll do to help them memorize all of these prefixes is that they'll memorize a mnemonic device, something like I don't know, King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Although I really like chocolate milk, so I might change that to something like chunky milk, milk that's just curdling and sour and gross. Or maybe do something like kittens hate dogs but do chase mice, or kings hate dragons because dragons can't mind their own business. However you want to do it. What's nice about this is that once you have those written out, then you can take these problems and use that list that you've written to kind of do your conversion. So in this instance, we're trying to convert everything into kilometers. So we're going to take that 4,652 meters. We want to convert that into kilometers. So using your chart above, just start with meters and then bounce along those prefixes until you end up at kilometers. Notice that you're going to be taking 3 bounces and you're moving to the left. So that's exactly what you're going to do to your decimal point. You're going to take your decimal, you're going to move it 3 places to the left, and you're going to end up with 4 and 652 thousandths of a kilometer. Now you can do your math, go through, subtract. Your final answer will be 10 and 348 thousandths of a kilometer. Similarly, with the other problem, we want to convert everything into meters. So those 9 kilometers, we want to go ahead and take those 9 kilometers and convert them into meters. So we're going to start at kilometers, and in this instance, we're going to bounce along to the right. Starting at kilometers, moving to meters, you're going to be taking 3 bounces, which is telling us that we're going to take that decimal that we have, we're going to bounce that along 3 units to the right, and you're going to end up with 9,000 meters. Now you can go through and do your math, 9,000 and 3,762, add those two together, and you'll go ahead and get your final answer of 12,762.